Pisaisian syakane ka program ke bawan chapi malaka new blay na kabenta ki kubolat kam pat ki kubolat kam jangan ka tiyaw kilong kumne ka AAI Cargo Logistic and Allied Logistic Company Limited ka khol application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka danjing puleban pendap ye ki post ki balat bat ki post kilong ka post handyman na ni loader hanru punyo dali ki post location wise kilong Raipur khanyo dali ki post Guwahati South Dali ki post Debrugar Santali ki post bat Silchar Santali ki post karta ka babyang kalong hado South Snem kajing yo kanlong khat 1000 pa hanrew hado khat 1000 khat tingka ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendep ani ki bala pass class 8 but ki benang banyakan ha kantin local but ha kantin hindi on kham biang na da ki applicant ki long ki bala ban pule ye kantin phareng on kham aila da ki candidate ki bedone ka experience ka bachis nam cheneng ha ka bi debet ka cargo handling Kabaar ka post data entry operator hinyotali ki post location wise kilong Guwahati Santali ki post Debrugar kawe ka post but Silchar tang kawe ka post kerta ka babyang kalong live host nem ka jingyo kalong khatlai hajar shispa live ho hado khatsan hajar praspa live pusaw tingka on kham byang ladai ki applicant kilong ki batip badnang chapang ki kam computer on kam ailat ki candidate ki badane ka experience ka bashis nem cheneng ha ka bide bat ka cargo handling ka post supervisor arphotali ki post location wise kilong Raipur pratali ki post Guwahati shiphotali ki post Debrugar kawe ka post but Silchar kawe ka post karta ka babyang kanlong live host nem ka jingyo kanlong khat san hajar praspa live pusaw hado khat pra hajar sanspa 100 pusaw tingka ki applicant ki bala pendep graduation ki laban apply but on kham biang lada ki applicant ki long ki batip bat nang chapang ki kam computer ki applicant ki deru ban long ki badane ka experience ka bashis nam cheneng ha ka bide bat ka aviation and cargo industry ka post senior supervisor khandai tali ki location wise vacancy ki long Raipur artali ki post Guwahati nil Debrugar kawe ka post but Silchar kawe ka post kerta ka babyang kalong life sans dem ka jingyo kalong hapadeng ka khat pra hajar sans pa 100 pusaw hado arpo hajar lais pa pra pusaw tingka ki ba apply ki deben long ki candidate ki bala pendep ka graduation lamat ka computer knowledge but don kam ro ka experience ka ba arts nem cheneng ha ka bidebat ka aviation and cargo industry ki candidate ki badane ka mon baga ka danjing puli kin haban apply online lakar pare ki applicant baro bakin puli banya ek notification chua bakin apply online katare khaddo ban register online kan long ha kai nyotrek risa October 2000 bantap khambanya ban apply online let's check our website www.becil.com ka staff selection commission SSC ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ma ka danjing puleban pendap ya ki post ki prepare hapo ka SSC selection phase 9 recruitment 2021 ki post ki balat kilong multitasking staff ka post driver ka post scientific assistant ka post accountant ka post head clerk ka post conservation assistant technical ka post junior computer under matriculation level but ki wei de ki post ki balat kilong lai hajar Arspa Hanripoway Tiligi post, but ki category wise reservation kilong, general, Shihajar Laispa Hanripunrew Tiligi post, SC, Sauspa Nyopunyo Tiligi post, ST, Arspa Sabukhandai Tiligi post, OBC, Nyospa Prabhupra Tiligi post, but economically weaker section, Laispa Prabhupaway Tiligi post. Kerta kababyang hapo ka shitrik uklalingkot January araja arpaway kanlong, hapereng ka kat pra but live host nem, but kerta penjalan ka longat kum ka reservation. Ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pass class 10 plus 2 but graduation, they ki recognize both lane institution. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon, but ka kadanjing pule kin haban apply online da ka balech ka website www.ssc.nic.in. Ki applicant kin habro ban siyo ka application fee ka basyong do shispa tingka batang ki SC, ST, PWD, ex-serviceman but ki candidate kin thay kim dun ka ban siyo ka application fee. la kerpat ke applicant berok bikin puli banyak ke jing batai shua bikin apply online ke tarik khaddo pen register online kan long haka arpu santrik urisa Oktober anaja arpaway. Ka Indian Institute of Management Shillong IIM ka khod application na ke experienced civil engineers ban pendap ya ka pose upon a contract basis but ka post kalong ka post site engineer civil ka way ka post ke applicant kindi ban palat ya ka 100 pusaus nem ka jingyo kanlong khandai po hajar tingka ke applicant ki ban long ki bala pendap ka bachelor's degree ha ka civil engineering lene ki candidate ki badan ya ka dan ka bearing card na ki recognized university lene institution ru ki laban apply badan kam ya ka experience ki candidate ki badan ya ka mon ba ka dan jing puli kin haban apply online ka tarek khaddo ban apply online kan long hadu ka live hotorik risa Oktober araja arpaway Bantap company ha ka bide bat ka post ka experience kumno ban apply bat ki way ki jing tip let check a website www.iimshillong.ac.in ka PhD Meghalaya Shillong ka khod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka dan jing puli ban pendap ye ki pose po a contract basis ha ka bide ba ka capacity building but training ha po ka SPMU JJM but ki post kilong ka post project manager monitoring ka way ka post ka jing yo kan long saupusan hajar shibnai ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap e ka BTech civil lamat ka MBA ne PGDM but kumjuro dan ka me ka experience ka balais nem na ki water sector ka post coordinator for water quality management and supply ka jing yo kan long arpusan hajar tingka ki ba apply ki de ban long ki bala pendap e ka MSc ha ka microbiology lamat ka jing nang jing tep chpang ki kam computer but on kam ailat ye ki candidate ki badan ka research lane laboratory experience ha ka bide bat ka water quality analysis lane ki retired candidates ki badan ka experience ha ka water quality management lane testing ru ki la man apply lane ki no ki candidate ki badan ye ka experience ha ka water quality studies lamat ka jing nang jing tep ha ki kam computer ru ki la man apply ka post coordinator for IEC ka way ka post ka jingyo kan long arpusan hajar shibnai dan kami ki candidate ki bala pendap e ka masters ha ka mass communication and journalism lambat ka experience ha ka bedebat ka IEC campaigns but knowledge management lambat ki government sponsored programs ka post coordinator for capacity building and training ka way ka post ka jingyo shibnai kan long arpusan hajar ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pendap ka master's degree ha ka social science and rural management lamar ka experience bumdunai ka lice nem on kam biang nada ki applicant ki long ki badan ka experience na ki government sponsored programs lene ki civil society organization khamtam ha ka bi debat ka managing administration and delivery ki candidate ki badan ka mon bar ka dan jing pule ki laban download ka application form na ka website http://macphd.gov.in ya ka application ka prescribed form lembat ki photo attested copy jeng ki kot kis like badan kam ki applicant can happen pen poi shaka office of the chief engineer PHE Meghalaya Shillong shwa ka por khat we bjim step ha ka kamera number saus pa sau bat ka tarik khaddo ban prang ka application kan long ha ka khatlai tarik urisa Oktober araja arpaway ka Oil India Limited ka bade ka Navratna Public Sector Undertaking ka khod application na ki nong shishnong ka riwan pendap ya ki post grade C, grade B but grade A ki post kilong ka post superintending engineer drilling ka way ka post nagbantay ki SC ka post superintending medical officer radiology ka way ka post unreserved ka post superintending engineer environment lightly ki post ka way ka post kalong unreserved ka way nagbantay ki OBC but ka way nagbantay ki SC ka post superintending medical officer orthopedic surgeon ka way ka post nagbantay ki OBC ka post senior medical officer southerly ki post ka way ka post kalong unreserved nagbantay ki OBC but ka way nagbantay ki PWBD ka post senior security officer ka way ka post unreserved ka post senior officer electrical handrutali ki post lightly ki post kalong unreserved ka way nagbantay ki OBC but nagbantay ki SC ka post senior officer electronics and communication artali ki post kaway ka post kalong unreserved but kaway nakabantay ki economically weaker section ka post senior officer land and legal artali ki post kaway ka post kalong unreserved but kaway nakabantay ki OBC ka post Senior Officer Mechanical, Shipotali ki post, Southley ki post kilong unreserved, line ka bantay ki OBC, kaway na ka bantay ki economically weaker section, kaway na ka bantay ki SC, but kaway na ka bantay ki ST. Ka post Senior Officer Geophysics, kaway ka post na ka bantay ki PWBD, ka post Senior Officer Instrumentation, Artali ki post, but ka post Confidential Secretary, kaway ka post na ka bantay ki PWBD. Ki candidate ki badanya ka mon ba ka danjing puli can have an apply online the ka baled ka website http://oil-india.com na current_opennew.aspx ki applicant can have robin CEO ka application fee ka basyong don sans patin ka tangki SC ST PWBD economically weaker section but ki ex-servicemen kim don ka ban CEO ka application fee but ka tarik khado ban register online kan long hado ka shipho trek urisa October 2008. The Northeast Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science Nigram Shillong Kakod application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka danjing puliban Punjab ya ki pose a group A regular basis but ki pose kilong ka pose deputy medical superintendent ka ka pose unreserved ki applicant kim diban palat ya ka sub hostnem ka jingyo kan long ha ka level 11 jong ka P matrix 100,000 nyuspa pay band 3 khatsan 1,000 nyuspa hadu live khunda 1,000 shispa tinga lemar ka grade pay ka 100,000 nyuspa tinga kiba apply ki deben long kibala pendep MBBS degree kibala pendep MS lane MD degree bala recognized ka MCI ki applicant ki deben long kibala register lembar ka Central and State Medical Council ki applicant ki deben long kibala ne ka administrative experience ka basans namne ki major hospitals ki ba bom tunai ki sans pa tali ki ting thia but on come island a candidate ki badanya ka MHL and MD hospital administration experience ka post junior medical officer blood bank ka ka post unreserved ki applicant kim deben palat ka sub hostnem ka jingyo kan long hapo ka level 10 jonga pay matrix 100,000 shispa pay band 3 khatsan 1,000 spa hadu life khunda 1,000 shispa tinga lambat ka grade pay ka basan 1,000 south spa tinga kiba apply ki deben long kiba lapendep ka MD ha ka pathology lane transfusion medicine lambat ka experience ka bashis namna ki no ki recognized blood bank lane ki applicant kiba lapendep ka MBBS degree lambat ka diploma ha ka pathology lane transfusion medicine but kumju rodon ka me ka experience ka bashis namna ki no ki recognized blood bank ki applicant ki dedu ban long ki bala dep ban register lambat ka state medical council ki candidate can have robin CEO ka application fee ka basyong dor san spa tinga but tang ar spa san ho tinga nakabanta ki SC but ST but ya ka pisa ki candidate can have ban CEO lengba ka Indian Postal Order ha kerteng Deputy Director Admin Nigrams Payable at Shillong ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka danjing puli can have ban submit ya ka application ha ka prescribed format lamat ki self attested photocopy jo ki kot ki slide ki badan kam but artli ki dur passport size la karpat ek applicant baro ba kin subscribe halor ka envelope ya ka kerteng post ka ba ki apply ya ka application ka pura ki candidate can have an pinpoint share recruitment cell establishment section 2 Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science Maudeng Shillong pin code nyo khandai line not iwe pra but ka tarik khaddo ban prenge ka application ka pura kan long hadu ka khatsan tarik urisa October 2008
Parlok nong pet kito kilong ki kubolat kam hagane ka por bangnayay kermen banwan ra shapi ki kubolat kam hagane ka tayo ka bansawan na ka dudashin kana Shillong a ikublay phi but ka tayo ko babhay phi baro